Welcome back to the Jamaican Taste Buds Kitchen. My name is Aisha, and today I'll be making for you guys the Jamaican national dish. I'll be making for you guys some wonderful, delicious ackee and saltfish. So stay tuned as I show you how I put the flavor of love into this wonderful dish. Okay guys, so I got the ingredients for the ackee and saltfish recipe. So I got some ackee over here, some saltfish, otherwise known as codfish. I got some onions, some scallions, some thyme, some garlic, some tomatoes, and some Scotched bonnet pepper. So what I'll be doing guys, I'll be boiling the codfish for about 12 minutes just to soften the codfish a bit and also to get the salt out of the codfish. I'm going to also add some green bell peppers. So now that my saltfish is boiled, I'm just going to break the saltfish into smaller pieces so they could be sauteed for the dish. So now I'm gonna add some oil for the ackee and saltfish dish, and I'm gonna just give it a little time to heat up. So now the oil is heated. We put all our natural seasonings in the frying pan to be sauteed. You have to keep stirring it so that the seasonings won't burn. You can just saute it on low. Guys, after this, you can add your codfish to your seasonings. And stir to combine. This is gonna be a very lovely dish from the Jamaican Taste Buds Kitchen. The one thing I like to do guys is before I add my ackee, I like to add my black pepper. And you just add about 2 tablespoons, because the reason why I do this is because I don't like when ackee is too soft. I feel like presentation wise it doesn't look presentable, and I just can't eat it when it's too soft. So when I add the black pepper to the seasonings and the codfish, it actually helps me so that the ackee won't be too soft when I have to mix the ackee with the black pepper. So now guys, I'm gonna finally add my ackee to my seasonings and my codfish. So you just stir everything from the bottom. And if you realize guys, the black pepper I added before will actually start to blend in with the ackee without causing it to be too soft. Look at that guys. You know, this is how we do it in the Jamaican Taste Buds Kitchen. And I'm just gonna let that cook for a little bit. Look how colorful that looks, guys. Such a beautiful dish. Guys, look at this wonderful spread right here. I made the Jamaican national dish, which is the Ackee and Saltfish, and I'll be serving it with some nice golden bami. Guys, this dish is gonna be delicious. And now time for the taste test. Look at this beautiful spread I have for you guys. Now that this meal is finished, it's time for the taste test. As my granny used to say, I saw food for taste. Guys, remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Share this video and tell me what you think about my wonderful dish today.